Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Osa Meyi prepares to come to the world. Story. When Osa Meyi discovered that most of the divinities had already departed toward the earth, he decided to go see what the place was like. He went to consult the three Babalawo, priests of Ifa, named Aja Nj, Emo Indon Ala Ra Ra Hje Emagbe, Gbologbo Ekutele, Eje Erin Gin Ninu Ile. Whatever bites a person doesn't know when the year ends. Whoever eats cooked food doesn't worry about the farmer who produced it. The large domestic jutia, bush rat, does not allow the cat to remain in the house. Osa Meyi was advised to make Abo, sacrifice, because he was going to practice the art of Ifa among sorcerers. They told him to offer a male goat to Esu, a guinea fowl to his Ifa, and a dove to his Ori, inner head spiritual self. He made the sacrifice because he was in a great hurry to come to the world. He was one of the 16 sons of Òrúnmìlà, who decided to come to the world around the same time, but he could not find the right path at the proper moment. This was because he failed to offer the male goat to Esu. His guardian angel could not guide him because he did not offer sacrifice to him either. His Ori, head, could not save him because it too had not received the offering. Thus he wandered along the road until he reached the final river in the sky, just before crossing to the earth. On the riverbank, he met the mother of the sorcerers, Ìyámi Òṣòròngá, who had been there for a long time, as no one would help her cross the river. She was also on her way to earth, but she was too weak to cross the narrow and delicate bridge that spanned the river. The bridge was called Èkókò. Ìyámi Òṣòròngá begged him to help her cross the river, but he explained that the bridge could not carry two people at the same time. She then proposed that he open his mouth so she could enter inside him. He agreed, and she found a place within his stomach. When he reached the other side of the bridge, he told her to come out, but she refused. She told him that his stomach was a suitable dwelling for her. This marked the beginning of Osa Meyi's problems with witchcraft. When she refused to leave, he thought he could deceive her by saying she would die of hunger inside his stomach. But she replied that she would not starve as long as he had a liver, heart, and intestines, for those were her favorite foods. Osa Meyi realized the seriousness of his situation when the woman bit into his liver. Then he reached for his divination instruments and called upon Ifa to help him escape his dilemma. Ifa told him to immediately make Ibo with a goat, a bottle of oil, and white cloth, which he quickly pulled from his divine satchel. He then cooked the liver, heart, and intestines of the goat and told Ìyámi Òṣòròngá that food was ready for her. When the woman smelled the delicious aroma of the food, she exited his stomach. However, she told him that it was forbidden for her to eat in front of anyone. So he made a tent from the white cloth, and she entered it to enjoy the food in privacy. While she was eating, Osa Meyi ran away quickly and found a womb in which to enter, so that he could finally be born into the world.